Lectora's Responsive Course Design, or RCD, is an approach to creating content that allows for optimal user experience across a wide variety of devices, including phones, tablets, and desktops. The content should be usable across these devices with a minimum of zooming or panning, allowing the user to get the best content experience available on each device. To create a responsive course, begin by selecting the new responsive title. Immediately, you should notice a device selection bar at the top of your working area. This bar contains 5 graphics representing the views popular with today's devices. It gives you the ability to quickly switch in between views to verify how your text and objects are displayed in each view. As you can see on the Responsive Course Design bar, or RCD bar, what you design on the desktop will affect and subsequently be inherited to the tablet. And then any changes that you make on the tablet will trickle down to the phone in the corresponding orientation. From left to right, these devices include phone portrait, tablet portrait, desktop, tablet landscape, and phone landscape. When creating a responsive course, it's recommended that you use or build a responsive theme. Themes are available on the Design tab. You can also create a theme that is segmented into 3 pieces: the header, body, and footer. This ensures the content is scaled up or down appropriately. Be sure to include this content at the title level so it can be appropriately shared with the other devices. When adding pages into your course, it's recommended that you use page layouts. Each layout now has specific layout properties for all 5 views within an RCD title. When you're working on the layout of the pages, remember that tablet and mobile users are used to scrolling. Since mobile pages have less screen real estate, it's natural for users to scroll the screen with a gesture to read your content. By default, your course will automatically recognize which device is being used and show the content in the corresponding view. For this reason, content may need to be moved or resized. From desktop view, start adding your images, text, and multimedia objects. Get in the habit of not overlapping items. In today's environment, you can't guarantee which browser will be used to view the content, and text may be spaced differently within each browser, preventing the text and images from lining up. Instead, place items in their own location, and if needed, use the wrap text feature. Be sure not to include flash objects since they are not supported. Be sure that buttons are at least 44 pixels wide by 44 pixels tall, since this is the standard size of a tap on a mobile device screen. Once the page has been created, begin checking the other devices by pushing from the inside out. For example, start by selecting the tablet landscape and then tablet portrait. Text can be scaled on the Home menu in the text scaling section. Next, check your content by pushing out to phone landscape. From here, you'll probably notice some adjustments that need to be made. As soon as any updates are done to the text block, you'll notice that the adorners have turned orange. In Lectora, green equals tablet view and orange equals phone view. This signifies that the content size or placement has been overridden from the original desktop view. You can also see any changes made to an object by visiting the Position and Size menu. From here, any item that you have changed in this view will show up as orange in the Position and Size group. Alternatively, anything changed in tablet view will appear as green. Once you've set up your course as desired, you can then add actions into the course. In Lectora, you have the ability to queue actions on device rotation, swipe right, and swipe left. Additionally, anything marked as a mouse click will also perform as a finger tap on screen-sensitive devices. You can also enter in actions that are conditional. A variable called current view is always available to call upon the current view to queue an action. You can also use browser type to make actions conditional on what browser they're viewing your content in. For example, if a page of content should only be viewed in landscape mode, You can use the current view variable to show a warning message if the device is rotated.